It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer, and I picked up something in home bargains I have not seen in, oh, I was 18 and I'm now 44, 26 years. 26 years. So I was at Lidl many moons ago and I come across this like box food that you kind of like cut the top open, emptied it into a frying pan, fried it up, and it had bits of bacon in and potato and onion, and it was fantastic. Never to be seen again. It was a German type thing. Now Lidl have kind of become more of a British, if you like, supermarket that does European kind of specials instead of just having a lot of German food in there like they once did. It disappeared over time. But I've seen this in home bargains. Now this is not the exact same one. The one I had was bacon and potato, but I got a funny feeling this is a very similar thing. Bratkartoffeln. How was my pronunciation? It was £1.50, very, very simple. Cut the bag, empty the bag into a frying pan, fry it up, stick it from the frying pan onto a plate, see what it's like. So, let's have a look. We'll go fry it up and see what we get. Okay, so let's cut it open. Yes, this is it. Oh, it's very, very similar. It almost smells like there's some brine here. So, let's light this up. So I'm thinking it's a non-stick pan, so we shouldn't have any problems with this sticking. But it seems like there's a lot of oil on these. It smells a little bit briny. Maybe turn them up a bit. Get a bit of oil on there. Bit of action even. Maybe even some more power. Let's get them right going, shall we? Right, here we go. Right, they're starting to fry. They're starting to smell really good already. So what I'll do, I'll speed this up now. We'll get them on a plate and we will give them a review. Right, so this fried potato with onion is ready. Let's serve it up. And they have fried up quite nicely. Now, I used no oil. You've seen that. There was no oil used. It went straight in the frying pan. And yeah, they've crisped up. Look at that. Lovely brown. Now you can do this yourself. but you've got to, it takes a little bit of time. Trick is, buy yourself a tin of baby potatoes, slice them up, add some salt, fry them with butter. I'm going to be honest, this is better. There's just so much more flavour here with this particular type, but I think because it's a style, because it's a Bratkartoffeln, they kind of like perfected this style over years. It tastes great. The onion's good. The potatoes are nice and soft. The potatoes are really tasty. But at the same time, there's some crispiness in there too. This is a really good, cheap, I mean, you could probably whack some of these in some bread, make a sandwich. You could probably open half a tin of beans, have beans and fried onion, potato. You could make a decent dinner out of this, or just enjoy it like I'm enjoying it now on its own. No, but it's really tasty. I'm going to say it tastes like a combination of lard and butter that they've used. The fat here in this to coat the potatoes. Oh, a little bit of salt and pepper. Lovely. So they're 90% potato, 6% onion, a little bit of rapeseed oil, salt, spice, and that's it. And they've actually got a thing on the back of here. No preservatives, artificial stuff going on in here whatsoever. Where did I read that? Here. No artificial colours. Absolutely perfect, spot on. 400 grams as well. 400 grams of fried potato for £1.50 in this cost of living thing we're still all going through. This is better than a pack of pot noodles. I learnt my lesson with noodles. Ate too many of them over the last year. I'm cutting back on my noodles. I'm looking at more kind of other stuff that's on the shelves in the supermarket, certainly to review. If you were feeling fancy, you could even buy a little pack of that cured bacon, the little diced cubes of bacon. You could put that in there and fry the potatoes up with that. That is spot on. That is perfect. I really like it. For the money, for the £1.50, cheap as chips. Literally cheap as chips. I like that enough to give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Really tasty food on a brilliant budget. On a budget. Perfect. I hope you liked the video. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.